Hello, my name is Tom. In this video we'll show you how to use the targeting aid. During daylight you should use the targeting aid of the ALF. On the back there is a lens with a small hole. On the front there is a lens with a crosshair. When you are targeting during daylight, look through the small hole and bring the target over the crosshair and trigger a measurement. After each measurement, you can hear an acoustical signal that finishes each measurement. At night, you do not need any targeting aid. The red laser pointer will be visible, and you move the point to the target. And then you can start a measurement.